Theoretically, should be working now, though. Where did I put it? Oh, here. Its old version is 32 bits. Wait, you guys don't have a 64-bit launcher? Realm even has a 64-bit launcher. Alright, should be pre-caching. I see it pre-caching in the logs. I guess that's why the game's frozen right now. I'll give it. Man, it's really pre-caching everything. I don't care. Let it pre-cache, baby. Pre-cache away. Let's go. All right. Cool. All right, so everything does work. Oh, I thought I saw one that didn't. I don't see any that aren't cached. Everything looks good so far. All right, dope, dude. Skins work. I'm ecstatic. Ecstatic. Wrong word. Holy. Dude, my microtransaction rate's gonna go insanely up after this. I'm gonna make so much money. Just kidding. Since Paladin's Battleground? Ooh, coincidence? I think not. To be honest, I don't even know what 64 bits would change in like memory context, unless you're using more than 4 gigabytes on Paladins, which would surprise me. I mean, in Realm, where currently, I guess it is pretty close. It's using 3.1 gigabytes, so it's getting there. But I don't even know, like 32 would change. So if you see in my friends, B is online now, like it updates automatically. Then if I chat with A, or here, let me. This is. All right. Then I say, if I type A. Oh, it doesn't automatically do it. That's weird, but it works. You can see A. Hello from other. And then I'll update. Okay, so that's bugged. You have to force refresh it, but whatever. It's functional. And then, yeah, here, I'll even do this. Let me invite player A. So when I go in here, party invite, B has invited you to your party. You accept, and bam. You see B, he's the leader. If I want to promote A, I can, or I can promote B and B gets promoted. So yeah, pretty dope. I don't know. It still needs a little bit more functionality and stuff. Like, this is like customs would be a cool thing if I was able to figure it out. But I guess the next thing, now that I can pre-cache everything correctly, I need to update the loadout PNG file so you actually see what your selected stuff is and whatnot. So. Oh yeah, and this even has like the party too large for this Q button, like if you see. I didn't even show you guys. But so like, yeah, it also has like size logic in the queues. And if you're not the party leader, you can't queue. If you are the party leader, you can queue. I didn't see where I add all that. Anyways, yeah, you already have a lot of used screen real estate. I still need to add logos and stuff to make this a little less like modern, boring. But luckily I'm not gonna find anything because I think there's a Paladin's like Battlegrounds launcher, but there's never a Realm launcher to my knowledge, so I'm not really confined to that stuff. All right, there we go. Hopefully the OBS picks it up so I can play with sounds for you guys. If not, that's sad. Hey, look at that. You guys can hear with sounds even. Tired. Yeah. Oh.
The fog sets in.
All the sounds work too. It's beautiful. Well, everything's like The render distance is weird on some of this stuff. Don't tell me the game crashed. Haha, streamer loot. Oh yeah, no, yeah, this server's struggle busting it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe, hopefully, Hetzner has good servers. This is not ideal. And all this works. Yeah. They're always default. Listen, I'm already improving the game. Although to be fair, it's probably done for like performance reasons. Finishing server mod buying to spectator mode. I do need to make a spectator mode too, because that's the thing that Realm never really had, is joining the game from the outside and just spectate it. Unless you're like a GM, then there's a command for that. But that'd be cool, just to be able to fly around the map and watch people fight without being tied to a specific like team mode thing, or maybe like make it like a tournament mode, little camera thing. That'd be cool. Bots never had chicken skins. Pre-Reforged, they used to have mount skins. Wait, so post-Reforged, they didn't have mount skins? We're playing on a 5-person team. Technically, the other B is me. I just had to restart my game. But the team sizes can be anything I want. I can make it 10 people in my team. Although I think the UI only goes to 6. Like, properly. So I'd have to check. Well, I was just thinking, like, maybe like the audio is requesting something from the server. And maybe the config is too. And since it's not filled out here, it's not filled out when it requests it, so it mutes it. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of anything. I'm so bad at this game now. Hold on. Also, sorry if this is so loud. The game server handles the settings, not the login one. Well, it's weird too, because when I don't know how it works with your guys' like pre-made login server. But when I was doing like handling or doing login server stuff, it like reset for some reason. Like when I went to the login screen, all my game mode settings and everything was fine. But when I logged in, my game mode just went to 2. My audio went to mute. This is so loud. Is that a different grapple animation? I don't think it is. I think it's the normal one. Where your just fist goes out. Like that. Or am I crazy? Surely they'll trust me. I just love all the sounds work properly. Along with the game timer and the fog sets in. Resolve anything? Lie to me. Buddy, shiz, look at this. I didn't resolve anything. Sheesh. Yeah, you could thank Captain, or however you say his name. Because there's a command. What's it called? Pre-cache down skin or something. that for some reason caches anything you pass into it. Yeah, pre-cached down skin. Oh, frick, I muted my game by escaping. Whoopsies. No game audio anymore. I just didn't know it worked for literally everything. Like mounts, skins. Works for chicken skins. Heck, it probably works for even the skydiving contrails. I haven't even tried that yet, so. Oh, look at your pathetic default. Oh, wait. Maybe they're all on default horses right now. I don't know if I actually put a config in for them to have different mounts. Yeah, look at that. Oh, wait. Is that the Summit 1G? Was that never... was that never like an option? Actually like a quiff. That's a dope chicken. Right, well, with this pre-caching done shiz, we're down to the 2 final hurdles before playtest, baby. Finish up the launcher, polish it up real nice, figure out server hosting stuff, and then bippity bop. We're in business. I tried hex editing stuff for volume in Realm, and every time I alt-tab backed in, it started crashing, so... Whee! I don't know. Yeah, look, custom, so chicken skins work, that skin works, my mount works. Dude, Realm is Bach, baby. AI works just fine. Oh, that's the one that never got a mesh that we were talking about yesterday. Fun. Whee! That's using what, the fluffy. Dope. So in a match bots would only have like one of. Wait, what? So in a match bots would only have one of like 5 skins. 1 of 5. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's all dynamic. There's the skins won't be the same between matches or anything. Like each match will have different sets of skins and stuff. Yeah. Cool. So caching works. It just makes the game lag. Oh, okay. I see what you mean, Cheesy. Basically, the way it's set up is I give them access to every skin, and it chooses randomly. I don't like confine it to like 1 of 5. I could if I wanted, but it's not how it's set up. Like I could limit the amount of skins that are chosen. That'd be fun for maybe like custom game modes where they all use a specific skin. Or I turn everyone into horses. I don't know yet. So. Cool. Just because I don't understand how stuff works, but I can get rid of this too now. Bye-bye. I can get rid of that pre-cache. Bye-bye. So, yeah, server add cheats. If role equals authority, client add cheats. But if role doesn't equal role authority, it adds cheats too. Again, like the end game is to be able to like make custom games, like really custom games, where you can just like change launch parameters on the launcher itself. And then you just launch it and do everything there. So you don't even need to do weird things. Are you a developer on this game? I'm not the developer of this game. The developer of this game is non-existent currently. They're working on Smite 2 and nothing else. I wonder if you can like, this is funny. I wonder if you can like proxy a command from the client side to the server side cheats. So if I type it in here, it'd forward it to the server side. I think if I say enough times, it'll come to me magically. Oh, that's using the alpha chicken, dude. I haven't seen that in forever. Fire. Dude, I'm so happy. Dude, my sensitivity is so whack. Also, I wonder if there's a way to change like tick rate and stuff. Not that it ever matter for a game like Realm. But I know in the config files, there was like a tick rate option and whatnot that passed into the configs. Unlike us. I mean, honestly, you guys, to be fair, you guys are generating a lot of hype along the way. I think something you guys are going to run into is probably just a lot of people complaining and whatnot. That's not finished, or like they get too eager and stuff. I don't know. I just know that if I do this half baked and I get stuck, I don't know. It's not gonna be pretty. And to be fair, the only reason you're doing, why did you guys launch your playtest so early? Like I know Kana released the files, but you didn't have to do playtests. Luckily, Paladins has a larger community, so you have more people like willing to help you out and whatnot. It's also weird on the Paladin side because you guys have an active game currently still. Like, why is this guy? Huh? Hello? Is this mesh bugged? It's probably some... Okay. So I'm sure Paladin servers will shut down one day. But in my opinion, you're never going to get the play count that Paladins has until it shuts down. Because people will get bored that's not like official. Unless somehow you guys add something that Paladins doesn't have. I don't know, just my 2 cents. Realm's dead, so people are willing to take anything at this point. They're playing offline by themselves. Listen, Realm, I can't wait for the Realm tournament. That's what I'm excited for. I've dealt with a lot of privileged people in the Realm community. So it's good to hear that at least Paladins people are chill. Yeah, my new job, I work mostly in person. I have 1 day that I have virtual. All right, it's a heal off. It's a classic heal off. Oh my gosh, he's better than me. Oh my gosh. This guy's he's a demon. Bob beat me. It's Royale all over again.